Sahara is the world's biggest desert, a place where you see nothing but endless golden sand. No river, no lakes, no rain for most of the year. Just heat, silence, and moving dunes. But what if I tell you, beneath this dry desert, there is a massive underground water system, a hidden ocean locked deep inside the earth? Scientists call it the Nubian Sandstone Aquifer, a giant fossil water reserve that has been flowing silently for thousands of years. And the biggest question is, how did so much water survive in the hottest desert on earth? When we look at the Sahara Desert, it feels empty, dead land, no sign of life. But this is only the surface story. Because under the sand, there is another world, a hidden world of rock and water. Satellite studies and geological research show something shocking. The Sahara is not fully dry underground. In fact, it holds one of the largest underground water systems on earth. Imagine a giant reservoir bigger than many countries, hidden under kilometers of sand, but you can't see it from above. That's why it feels like a mystery. The desert is like a lid, covering a secret ocean below. To underwater this water, we must go back thousands of years. The Sahara was not always a desert. Long ago, this land had rivers, lakes, and green landscapes. Animals used to live here. Water used to flow on the surface, but over time, Earth climate changed. Rain slowly stopped, heat increased, and the green land turned into the desert. But something important remained. Water did not fully disappear, it moved underground, slowly deep into layers of sandstone rock, and got trapped there for 1,000 to the millions of years. This trapped water is what we now call a fossil aquifer. It is like an ancient ocean, frozen in time under the earth. The Nubian Sandstone Aquifer is one of the largest groundwater systems in the world. It spreads under countries like Libya, Egypt, Sudan, and Chad. It is so massive that scientists estimate it holds trillions of cubic meters of water. But this water is not flowing like a normal river on the surface. It moves very slowly through tiny spaces in rock, like water breathing inside stone. In some places, this water is thousands of years old. That means the water you find today may have fallen as rain long before modern human civilization even existed. This is the biggest mystery. How can water survive under such extreme heat? The answer is simple. It is protected underground. Thick layer of sand and rock act like insulation. They stop evaporation, they block direct sunlight, and they keep the water sealed inside earth crust. So even when the surface is burning hot, deep below the temperature stays stable, cold and dark, perfect for preserving ancient water. But this does not mean the system is unlimited. This water is not being replaced quickly. It is non-renewable resource in many areas. Once used, it may take thousands of years to refill naturally. Today, many countries are using this underground water. Cities in desert regions depend on it. Agriculture projects also use it to grow crops and dry lands. Large pipelines and valves bring this water to the surface. It helps many Millions of people survive in harsh environments, but there is a problem because this water is ancient. We are using it much faster than nature can refill it. Scientists warn that if overused, this seasoned water system may slowly decline. What took nature thousands of years to store, drained in just a few generations.
दुनिया का सबसे
Scientists are
बड़ा
now
रेगिस्तान
studying ways to
सहारा
manage this resource carefully.
Deep
Using
experiencing
satellite
nothing but
mapping,
endless building
ground
sand.
in source, and climate models, they are trying
No
to
rivers,
understand
no
how
lakes,
much water is
no
left.
wind, just
Some regions
heat
are
and sand.
already seeing lower water level.
Beneath this dry desert
This raises a
lies
serious
massive
question.
underground water
If
system.
the Sahara once turned
A hidden
from
ocean
Greenland to desert,
locked deep
could it
inside
change again in the future? And if climate
Scientists
shift
call
again,
it
what will
the
happen
Nubian
to this
sandstone aquifer.
underground water system? The answer is still
A giant
unknown, but
fossil
one
water
thing
reserve
is
flowing
clear.
for thousands
This
of
hidden
years.
water is not just a resource, it
How
is a
did
memory of
so much
Earth
water survive
ancient
in the
past.
hottest desert on
Beneath
Earth?
the silent Sahara, there is no
When we look
ambition.
at the Sahara,
There is a
it
history,
feels
there
empty,
is a water,
dead man.
there is a buried world that tells the
But this
story
is
of
only the
ancient
surface
Earth.
story.
A world
Under the
we
sun,
cannot see
another
but still
world
depend on,
exists.
and
A
maybe the
hidden world
greatest
of rocks
secrets
and
of
water.
our planet
Part
are
one.
not above
The
us
mirage
but
of the Sahara.
below our feet.